If you think your iPhone can't keep your location secret up till now, you might be wrong. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Apple is about to give iPhone and iPad users a powerful new way to guard their privacy with iOS 26.3. Apple is introducing Limit Precise Location, a feature that makes your location data far less detailed for cellular providers. Instead of knowing your exact street address, carriers might only see the rough neighborhood you're in. Apple promises this won't affect signal quality, user experience, or emergency services, which can still pinpoint your exact location if needed. To turn it on, head to Settings, choose Mobile Service, then Mobile Data Options, and turn on the Limit Precise Location option. This will restart your phone and boom, you are now blurred out from the maps for your cellular network. But there are some to look out. Only certain devices are compatible, including iPhone Air, iPhone 16e, and iPad Pro with M5 chips running Wi-Fi plus cellular. You'll also need a supported network like Telecom in Germany, EE or BT in the UK, Boost Mobile in the US, and AIS or True in Thailand, and your device must be updated to iOS 26.3 or iPad OS 26.3 to experience extra privacy. Plus, this Limit Precise Location option is only restricting what your cellular provider sees. Apps can still access your location unless you change those settings entirely in Privacy and Security, then Location Services. For now, it's a limited rollout, but as more Apple devices get the C1 and C1X modems, this privacy shield will become normal. Apple users finally have a new tool to guard their personal data, so your location remains your business only. For more updates like these, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.
Hey iPhone users! iOS 17's new photo privacy controls let you lock down your pictures like never before. Ready to take charge of your data? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech tips. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to protect your photos. We're exploring iOS 17's game-changing photo privacy features. Apple's giving you total control over what apps like Instagram or Facebook can access in your photo library. Want to keep your visual story safe? Keep watching. Apps accessing your photos can grab metadata like location, depth info, captions, and even audio annotations. Apple warns photos may contain sensitive data, and unrestricted access could expose your personal story. iOS 17's new controls let you decide exactly what apps see, redefining digital privacy. Here's how to manage photo access on your iPhone. Open Settings, tap Security and Privacy, then select Photos. For each app, choose None to block all access. Add Photos only to let apps add new pictures without seeing your library, restricted access for specific photos, or complete access for everything. These options give you granular control to protect your data. iOS 17's photo privacy features empower you to share data on your terms, setting a new standard for apps like Facebook and Instagram. As digital privacy becomes a bigger deal, Apple's leading the charge with tools to keep your personal info secure. Is this the future of data protection? Head to your iPhone settings now and customize your photo privacy settings with iOS 17. It's quick, easy, and keep your visual story safe. Which app are you restricting first? Drop it below. If you love this guide, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. What's up, Tech Fam? Welcome back to the channel, your go-to for the hottest app updates. WhatsApp's cooking something big for iOS users, an enhanced chat privacy feature dropping soon. Sources got the scoop for us, and it's all about control, keeping your chats secure and your secrets safe. Let's dive into what's coming and why it's trending. So, what's this update? WhatsApp testing a feature that's like a privacy shield for your iPhone chats. Picture this. You send a spicy picture or a juicy rant. No more auto downloads to the gallery. That media stays locked in the app, safe from prying eyes. Plus, you can block exporting entire chat histories. No more, oops, my conversation's on someone's laptop. Users are hyped, saying, finally, my secrets stay mine. And it's all thanks to WhatsApp's ecosystem keeping things tight with built-in protections. Sources say it's optional. You can toggle it on and off, and boom, unauthorized sharing's toast. Forwarding's still cool for simplicity, but chat exports? Nope. Oh, and Meta AI, it's banned from those locked chats. Your talks stay human only. Why is this trending? It's control, baby. WhatsApp's already got end-to-end encryption, but this takes it up a notch. Sensitive stuff like your late-night rants or work gossip stays where it belongs, in the app. No gallery clutter, no random exports, just pure privacy vibes. X users are like, iOS finally gets the VIP pass, and it's true. This isn't about stopping forwards, it's about keeping the big picture secure. Sources are betting on a future rollout, and with iPhone users craving that advanced messaging edge, it's a win for anyone who's all about that secure chat life. Think safer FaceTime rants with your bestie. Apple's ecosystem just got chattier. Here's the vibe. This hits iOS soon. Think summer 2025, and it's a game changer for privacy nerds. Your sensitive conversations locked down. Your iPhone, a fortress for chats with your crew. It's not out yet, but X is buzzing, and WhatsApp's promising an advanced experience that's still simple. For iOS users, it's like Apple and WhatsApp teamed up to say, your secrets, we got you. Get ready, your chats are about to level up. iPhone Squad, are you hyped for this privacy flex? Drop your thoughts in the comments. WWDC 2024, iOS 18 announced with home screen customization, enhanced privacy at Apple event. Being an Apple enthusiast, much of what you may have eagerly desired has been announced at the ongoing Apple event, Worldwide Developers Conference 2024. And if you own an iPhone, then brace for the biggest, latest iOS update, as Apple has eventually disclosed its iOS 18 for iPhones with a plethora of new features and functionalities, alongside a touch of improvement to those existing already by utilizing artificial intelligence. On the sidelines of an abundance of new features, the iOS 18 will also bring a margin of customization on home screen. With the slew of remarkable new features continuing to widen, the iOS 18 would also offer support for substantially improved control center features, along with support for controls from third-party apps, as highlighted during the continued Apple event. After observing its potential launch, the iOS 18 will also exploit of Apple's processors to offer new features, making them available on select eligible iPhone models later this year. As the Apple event is on the mill, spilling countless features and functionalities across its flagship products and services, stay tuned with GadInsider to catch you up with what's gonna transform the way you use your iPhone. The latest iOS update is also bringing an enhanced sense of security with the help of solidified privacy features, including the ability to control how data is across applications. With the iOS 18 making iPhone users share only specific contacts with apps instead of granting a holistic access to their contact list. On top of it, it will also enable users to lock certain apps from their home screen to keep their devices secure from unauthorized users by making enter device passcode.